Quincy, what do you think you're doing? You just open. Ah! Quincy, give me the money. Give me the money, buddy. Come on. Just need a little bit. Come on. Ah! Quincy, look what you're doing. You're holding on to that tight. Come on. Give it to me. Come. Hey, look at you. You're just going to lay on top of the money now? Quincy, you're a dog. You can't buy anything with that money. Come on. Ah! You need to buy yourself some Xanax, bud. That's what you need. I'll go buy yourself some. I'll buy it for you. Come on. Ah! Maybe not. Okay. All right, I'll just take my check then. How about that? You can keep out. Ah! Oh, okay. You gonna cash the check too? You gonna cash? You can't. Come on now. Give me the check. Just give me the check. No. Ah! All right, fine. You can keep all the $10 bills. I just want the $1 bill. That's all I want. Ah! Quincy! After all I've done for you, you little greedy little Quincy, I just want some at McDonald's. Just a McDonald's. Ah! Quincy, come on. Ah!
这是一只狗，这是它的正面，这是它的背面，这是它的前面。
Well, a familiar Eurovision face here, Alexander Rybak. You'll recall, in 2009, he won with Fairy Tale. By the way,
my child support.
That baby ain't mine.
He look just like you.
No, he don't. You don't do.
Yes, him do.
You stole your.
夜深人静的时候，想起他说的那些话，还说过一些死心。
Trying to wrap presents. Essence is not making it very easy. Essence, get off my wrapping paper. Come on. Get up. Get off. Get off. Stop it. Stop. Essence. Stop. You're tearing it apart. Essence. Why are you eating the wrapping paper?